Good morning, student. So today, after the exam, we will start new chapter, and I think that we have completed till chapter 9. So today we'll start a new chapter, and it is all about the relative pronoun. Normally, relative pronoun is used to join two sentences, and they refer to nouns mentioned previously. It may be a person, animal, thing, or an idea. There are only few relative pronouns in English language. The most common are which, that, who, and whom. And in some situation, the words what, when, and where can also function as relative pronoun. Let's see an example. The boy who stole my money is standing there. So in this sentence we see that the boy is a subject and boy is a noun here. Okay. So the word who is referring to the boy. Okay. And in this way it's functioning as relative pronoun. The man who is honest succeeds in life. Here we see that again the word who is referring to the noun, and the noun of the sentence is the man. What, when, who, whom, where function as interrogative pronoun if they are used in the beginning of a sentence. Okay, but if they are used in the middle of the sentence and are used to connect two sentences, they are known as relative pronoun. So let's see some rules how to use the relative pronoun. So who, whose, whom are used for persons only. For example, they never fail who die in a great cause. Okay, here we see that who is referring to person. Okay, the noun of the sentence is they. Which is used for animals and things. Okay, these are dogs which beat the children. Here we see that the word which is working as relative pronoun is just referring to the dog, which is animal. Okay, that is such a relative pronoun which is used for person, animal, and things. Okay, let's see an example. He that is not with us is against us. Here we see that the word that is referring to a person. Okay, this is the horse that won the race. Here relative pronoun that is referring to an animal, that is horse. This is the house that Jack built. Here the relative pronoun that is referring to a house, that is a thing. So in this way we see that all the relative pronoun refers to a noun, okay, that has been used previously in a sentence. So let's do an exercise. The festival dash lasted all day, ended with a banquet. That, who, which, what. Festival dash lasted all day, ended with a banquet. The answer will be C. Okay, because it's referring to the festival. Okay, I am looking for someone dash can watch my dog while I go on vacation. Here the answer will be who, because here who is referring to a person. The police needed detail dash could help identify the robber. The answer will be C. Okay, because it's referring to the details. I would like to take you to a cafe dash serves excellent coffee, and the answer will be C, because it's referring to a place. The clubhouse in dash the dance was held. housed about 200 people. So the answer will be which, because it's referring to a place. You can choose one person dash you like to share the cruise with you. And the answer will be whomever. Okay, because it's referring to a person. I saw the shoes dash you bought last week on sale for less this week. And the answer will be B, because it's referring to the shoes. The winners dash known will receive money and other prizes. Here the answer will be C, when, because when is referring to a situation when the winners will be. This is the place dash we met, and the answer will be where, because it's referring to a place. The baby dash nap had been interrupted, wailed loudly, and the answer will be A, because here nap is associated with the noun of the sentence. So I hope you have understood the concept of relative pronoun, and as a homework you will do all the exercise of this particular chapter.